I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Activating an SIM card with Virgin Canada is a straightforward process, and I am here to guide you through it. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start, make sure you have your new SIM card, your phone, and any necessary personal information handy, such as your ID and the activation code that came with your SIM. Step 2. Insert the SIM card. Power off your phone and locate the SIM card slot. Insert the new SIM card carefully, ensuring it fits snugly in place. Power your phone back on. Step 3. Access the activation website. Before activation, use the com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 4. Enter your details. Fill out the required fields on the activation page, including your activation code and personal information. Double check for any typos, as errors can delay activation. Step 5. Confirm activation. After submitting your information, you should receive a confirmation message. If you don't see it within a few minutes, try restarting your phone. Sometimes, the network takes a moment to recognize the new SIM. Once you've completed these steps, your SIM should be activated and ready to use. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Virgin Canada's customer support for assistance. Happy connecting!